Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you this very simple logo idea that you can implement across many forms of graphic design, ranging from logos all the way through to patterns. Trust me when I say it's a very simple process for you to follow, and I'd love for you to implement this within your graphic design life. Question would be is how do we do it? Obviously, that's why I'm here, to show you the process and the steps that you need to take to create such an effect. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to borrow that preset gradient that I already had set up over here, and I'm just going to leave that there for the minute, and I'm just going to select everything here with my selection tool and just press backspace to remove so that we can get started again. First of all, I'm going to start off with our Polygon tool here, and I'm just going to click on the artboards. And when I do, this little polygon option appears, and obviously, as you can see, it allows you to dictate how many sides you want. Currently, at the moment, I want 3, seeing as I'm creating a triangle. Okay, so I'm just going to increase the size of this triangle here by pressing the shortcut option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point, and Shift also at the same time to keep it nice and proportionate. Just going to swap around the fill and the stroke for the minute. Okay, so I need to copy this triangle. So the shortcut to do that on a Mac is Command C, and on Windows is Control C. And what I need to now do is paste it in front, which is Command F on Mac or Control F on Windows. And using the same shortcut again, I'm just going to resize from the center point and press Shift as well at the same time, just so that I get that positioned proportionately. Let's just use my selection tool. I'm just going to resize this a little bit bigger. There we go. What I want to do on the bigger triangle is just round off the corners. So as you can see, we have this little icon here, this little circle, which is telling me I'm allowed to just, if I click and draw it in, round off the edges of our triangle there, like so. Okay, so what I now need to do is make some sort of lines for cuts that I'm going to apply later. So I'm going to use my line segment tool here, and let's just say we start off and create our first line, just so we match it up with that triangle, and just use that direct selection tool, double click that anchor point just so I can take that out there like so. Okay, wonderful. So now I'm going to select this line here, and I'm going to go right click, transform, and reflect it. And I want to do a vertical reflection. I'm not going to press OK. I'm going to press copy. Wonderful. And with this line here, I'm just going to line up with that part of the triangle there, like so. And yet again, let's use our line segment tool and come through and create a line across here, like so, and here, like so. Okay, so we're at a perfect stage now to start adding some more elements to this. So what I'm now going to do is start with my pen tool, and I'm going to start a point here and finish it to that point there, like so. I'm then going to come through here and start a line from here and match it up with that one there, like so. And what I'm now going to do is come through and start with a line here and click it down to there, like so. Okay, so now I'm going to use my selection tool and just select everything. And I just need to remove these excess lines. So I'm just going to use the shape builder to do that. And to remove with the shape builder, you must press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to remove, and just click. And as you can see, I'm just clicking and removing those excess lines there, like so. Wonderful. Now, what I need to do is build the shapes and build the elements to this logo. So this will be an element here, like so. That will also be an element there. These will be an element, just clicking and dragging through and building the shapes that I need. There we go. Okay, so with everything selected now, I'm just going to use the eyedropper tool. Shortcut for that is the letter I, just to select my preset gradient here and implement the gradient. Now, I'm just going to select everything and just remove that inner bit there. So yet again, use my shape builder tool and Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to remove. Fantastic. And now what I need to do is start angling the gradients differently to different sections on the logo. So I'm going to select our top one here, and I'm going to get our gradient tool. And let's say we start from about there. Let's say, wonderful. So I'm going to take this one now here. Let's start from that angle there. As you can see, I'm really sort of trying to sort of give difference. I need to start differently there on that angle there, like so. Beautiful. This one also as well. Here we are. Like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that simple logo idea in Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.